Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to memorize more Chinese characters by adding a stroke to a certain word. Let's start from the simplest one. 一 In English, 一 means 1. If we add a stroke on 一, we will get 5 different Chinese characters. See? This is 二, means 2 in English. If we add 1 stroke, this is 丁. In English, 丁 means the force. Or people. And also, this is a Chinese feminine name. And also we can get 十. 十. It means 10 in English. And a 7. 七. The last one we can get 场. Means factory. For example, half of 4 is 2. 4的一半是2. 2 2 2. In Chinese, sometimes we use 甲乙丙丁 represents 1, 2, 3, and 4. 甲乙丙丁 1, 2, 3, and 4. 十 means 10. I have 10 books. 我有10本书。我有10本书。七 7. There are 7 days in a week. 一周有7天。一周有7天。And 厂 工厂 factory, such as clothing factory means 服装厂 or shoe factory means 鞋厂。一 2 1 2 1 2 2 丁 the first people family name 十 10 I have 10 books 我有10本书。七 7 7 There are 7 days in a week. 一周有7天。厂 factory 服装厂鞋厂 shoe factory. If you like my channel, Please subscribe, comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.